was on Highway 60. The recyclable truck never stopped. Yeah.
You use that important guy, huh?
Oh my God.